I was a quick-wit boy, diving too deep for coins. All of your street-light eyes wide on my plastic toys. Then when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair, stole me a dog-eared map, and called for you everywhere. Have I found you, flightless bird, jealous, weeping or lost you, American mouth, big pill, looming. Now I'm a fat house cat, nursing my sore blunt tongue, watching the warm poison rats curl through the white fence cracks, ripping a magazine, photos those fishing lures, thrown in the cold and clean blood of Christ mountain stream. Have I found you, flightless bird, grounded, bleeding or lost you, American mouth, big pale, going down. Oh.